Yo, what's up, streamers? My name is James Curtis, or Darker Force Serenity, and I'm a Twitch and YouTube partner. And today, I am here to tell you the real reason why you should not use support small streamers or any other support for support hashtag or initiative on Twitter or anywhere else on social media. Now, I'm not saying any of this to look down on you. I actually used to use these hashtags myself when I didn't know what I was doing. And I got partnered at TwitchCon, so you're good. Don't worry. Okay, so besides the fact that it doesn't work at all, here's why you shouldn't use it. One, you look desperate. You just do. I look desperate, you look desperate, and no one wants to support a desperate person. People like to support people with confidence, people who believe in themselves, people who they can see as making it, whatever that means. So they can be like, oh, I knew that person when they were nothing, and I have a relationship with them, which is why people use Twitch in the first place. And no one wants a relationship with someone they don't believe in. And using this hashtag shows that you do not believe in yourself. Even if you do believe in yourself, like I believed in myself, I use this hashtag, that is not what it shows. It shows that you're desperate, that you're needy, and that you have no idea what you're doing. So don't use it. You're not going to attract any meaningful audience worth having in your stream. 2, you are literally being used. I cannot tell you how many of these accounts I've seen get to 30,000, 50,000 followers and then just disappear off the face of the planet because they sold their Twitter account for hundreds or thousands of dollars. Do some research for yourself. I promise you, I am not lying to you. I don't know about you, but I don't like getting manipulated. So yeah. 3, now you might say something like, oh, well, I found amazing and wonderful people through the support small streamers hashtag, whatever. And if you have, that is amazing, and I'm genuinely happy for you. And if you're fine with that being the only growth you have, then cool, more power to you, truly. But if you're actually trying to grow, trying to build a sustainable community, and eventually maybe even be a Twitch partner one day, you're gonna want true support from people where you don't have this weird unspoken social contract of I'll go in your stream as long as you're in my stream. You all know what I'm talking about. I was there. Don't act like you don't. Then you're going to need to start working a lot harder, a lot smarter, and start putting valuable content out there for people in order for yourself to be able to grow. And stop doing this networking BS that doesn't work. You know it doesn't work. I know it doesn't work. Let's be honest. And if you watch this whole video, thank you so much. Again, my name is James, or Darker Force Serenity, and I stream Wednesdays through Sundays, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. PST. Come check me out on Twitch. Peace.